Tension gripped Nuapada on Friday as police carried out a surprise raid at the residence of BJD star campaigner Preeti Ranjan Ghodai. The operation took place on Carrier Road under the supervision of 2 magistrates, with around 40 police personnel present at the scene. The sudden raid sparked unrest among BJD workers who gathered outside the house, shouting slogans and attempting to block the police convoy. The protest grew intense when senior party leaders staged a demonstration in front of the district collector's vehicle, forcing officials to step in and control the situation. Authorities have so far remained tight-lipped about the reason for the search or whether any materials were seized. Meanwhile, senior BJD leader Debi Prasad Mishra strongly condemned the action, alleging that the raid was conducted without a search warrant or valid reason. He claimed that the police team said they were acting on Election Commission orders but failed to show any official document. Mishra further alleged that a person at the house was assaulted when he asked for water during the search. Security has been tightened in the area as political tensions continue to simmer ahead of the Nuapada by-election.
बिना सर्च वारंट रे बिना कारण रे कहले जे इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑर्डर देखबे कहले आगो कबाट बाडीले जने पंडा बोली तांकर लोक थिले से नाहंती निजे प्रीति रंजन गढई जे हमर गोटे स्टार प्रचारक से तांको पंचायत रे जाइछंती प्रचार करबा पई एवं एठी जबरदस्ती कबाट बाडीले से कहले हम खोलुछु ए गंजीटा पिंदु बेनियन ना नाही से समय देले नै तांको पंडा गोटू वर्षन ना पाई परिबे एवं तांको से बसिकरी तांको कहउछंती सर्च भी कले एवं पानी मागिले से तांको अंटा को गोटे गोइठा देले एवं बर्बरोचित जो आक्रमण ताकू बिजू जनता दल दृढ़ निंदा करुछे।